Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing 4 liters of water to a rapid boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt once it boils so pasta seasons evenly. Meanwhile, measure 100 grams of pasta per person and set aside 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water for later. In a separate pan, heat oil on medium, add garlic or onions to bloom flavors, then add your prepared sauce base. Doing these tasks concurrently saves time and ensures both pasta and sauce are ready at the same moment. You add the pasta to the boiling water and stir within the first minute to prevent clumping. Cook to al dente, according to package time, -1 minute so it finishes cooking in the sauce. Once the sauce is simmering, lower heat and adjust acidity with a splash of vinegar or a pinch of sugar, tasting as you go to balance flavors. When pasta is nearly done, reserve 1/2 cup of the pasta water before draining. This liquid is key to marrying sauce and pasta into a silky finish. You transfer the drained pasta straight into the saucepan, then add between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of the reserved pasta water to create an emulsion. Toss vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes so the starch binds sauce to noodle. Finish with a knob of butter or grated cheese for gloss and body, and season to taste. If the sauce becomes too thin, let it simmer briefly to concentrate. If it's too thick, add reserved water a tablespoon at a time until you reach the right consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.